Hey, what's up? It's me, Quincy, back again. This is gonna be a real quick video. I want to show you how to withdraw your money from the TikTok Creator Fund, but this is a shorter version. I made a video yesterday or a few days ago, depending on when you look at this, so you can watch that video if you want a longer version. This video is gonna show you exactly how to click on balance and select income and go into detail, all right, and show you where to find those links to click on or those tabs, all right? Keep watching. So here is another way, or could be also the main way, to add a payment method to take your money out of the Creator Fund. Go ahead and hit the top three dots on the right, hit balance. You will then see income, click on income, wait for a 6-digit code, which is mine's 385647, 385647. The balance says 0, but I know I have money in there. Maybe it's waiting for me to add a payment method so withdrawal can become available. So I'm going to go ahead and click on withdrawal method. I'm going to hit add a new method. Now I already have my PayPal connected, but let's go ahead and click the right arrow on the USD. Gonna go ahead and hit accept terms and conditions, or agree and continue. Connect with PayPal, click on that. Now, of course, I'm going to log in with my PayPal email address. Going to go ahead and put my password. This lets TikTok receive your information, agree and continue. And it shows that it is linked. That's my withdrawal method. So we'll go ahead and, if I hit settings on the top right, I can delete that method. Or I can hit next, or excuse me, I can hit back and go this way. So let's click on withdrawal method again. It shows that PayPal is connected. Now you can transfer, I have birds in the background. You can transfer from your PayPal account to your bank account. Just keep that in mind. I did not see an option to set up my bank account or another app, as previously mentioned in the Creator Fund. They said that Zelle or Zelle, Z-E-L-L-E, would be an option. I didn't see that. Hey, so just like I said, short and to the point. Let me know if you still have any questions. All right. Is the income option there for you? Because it wasn't there for me the other day. It's there now, but I still explained in my previous video on why it may not be there for you. So let me know in the comments, do you see income or do you not see income? You know what I mean. And also, have you already transferred your money? Have you already taken out money? If you have, let me know. I want to know. Hey, how much you taking out? How much you take? How much? Hey, like, subscribe, guys. Share this video with someone who's really trying to find out the same thing. And hey, I'll see you guys on the next video.